Got me your charade. Come on. What is it? You can just do it. Show me what it is. You have to guess, girls and guys. What is it?
About the creation of God.
Oh, I know.
The kids are having to guess what it is. What is it? What is it, Willie? Father God, bless the children of the world.
Is it bull?
A deer? Yes, it's a bull.
Toro.
Toro. El toro.
El toro. Okay, Willie, you want to do it yours? You want to do your charade? Okay. It has to be something from the creation, okay? Not outside, but what God created. Show me something. Okay, what do you say?
10 words.
Okay, where is it?
Is it the world?
Elbows?
Creation of God, what is it?
Did he make the earth?
What did God create?
La tierra? No?
Let's see, it's a goat. No, a deer. No,
A moose. El afe.
Alright.
El afe. Very good, Willie.
It's a dog.
Dios nos hizo un animal.
You're doing a dog.
Okay, Dios nos hizo los animales. That was very good. Okay,
And now you doing one.
and you did what? A cat, a gato, and you, el toro, and you. Wait, was a moose.
El afe.
He had many. It was okay. Okay. Dios te la bendiga. Okay. For you. God bless you. Okay. And you know, say it's like being good, but next week something new. Okay, we will have new, what is it? Come on. Theme. We have a new theme, okay? The tema nueva for the next month.
Tenemos nuevos temas.
Theme is
Nuevos
tema.
temas.
New tema nueva, okay? You guys think, I believe it's probably time for us to go inside the sanctuary thing. I don't hear them. They may be out. Okay, but I'm gonna take a picture of your coloring. I'm gonna do that. I'll have to take it down now, you think?
The coloring for the
Take a
creation.
picture of all your coloring sheet. We're gonna get a picture of your coloring sheet. You know what we do?
Taken from
We're gonna give
Genesis
the
chapter
coloring sheet back
1.
to you.